Let me intro myself. My name is Anna Dulandari with NIM 442401777 here class 44 1B25. I will give my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking on campus should be a more serious issue for university students and the community at large. In the context of the campus environment, smoking habits can have quite a negative impact, both for individual and the surrounding environments. As a place, the should be catered for listening and self-development. Campus must ensure that the atmosphere created can support students' physical and mental health. In terms of health, smoking is widely known to have a very detrimental impact. The greens contain many harmful substances that can damage the body, such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. Conscious use of screens can cause various serious diseases, such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorders. On campus, most smoking are used students who are of productive age. Therefore, smoking habits on campus can have an impact on their future, both in terms of long-term health and general quality of life. In addition, smoking also affects student concentration and academic performance. The nicotine content in these greens can reduce the brain ability to remember and think clearly. Students who smoke to have higher level of stress, which in turn affect memory and focus on learning. In the long run, this can hinder their academic and achievement and personal development. This is very contrary to the main purpose of the campus and education institutes should be to facilitate students. No less important, smoking habits also affect social interaction. On many campus, students will smoke after gather in crazy area, creating social group that are specific from other group. It can create polarization in the campus community and reduce more inclusive interaction among students. Even students who do not smoking can fall alienated or maybe crisis smoking the inhale, which ultimately disrupt the harmony of social relationship on campus. Considering this impact, campus should have a strict policy on smoking bans throughout campus, including classroom, desk, library, and other public area. The campus also needs to educate students about the dangers of smoking and the importance of maintaining a healthy body, as well as implementing a smoking-free policy to create a healthy and productive and free environment. The smoke-free campus program must be socialized intensively so that students are aware of the negative impact of this habit and prefer an healthier lifestyle. That's all from me. I say thank you. The question was, What are questions word? Well, question word and question word used to form question in English. This word helps us get the information we need in conversation or writing. For explain the word what's used to ask about something that does not have a specific from on characteristics is can refer to object, things, action, or abstract concept. Explain sentence. What do you like? What are included in question words? Well, for that question word, we can divide them into the following category. Number one, wo. Number two, what. Number three, when. Number four, where. Number five, when. And of course, let's six how. The first is who. Who is a question word in English that is used to ask about the identities of a person, of group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. For example, who is he? Who is this woman? Who is the president of the company? Who is coming to the party? Who's in his song? Who is your beef friends? The second is what. Number two, what? What is a question word in English that is used to ask about object, activity, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context? Its function is to obtain information about certain object, activity, or concepts in a conversation. Example sentence: what is your favorite color? What are you doing this weekend? What is your favorite book? What are you hobby? What do you want to be when you grow up? The theory is when. When is a question word in English that is used to ask about the time of period of time in which an event occurs. Its functional is to about information about a creative time or period of conversation or situation. Explain sentence. When is your birthday? When did you are in Yogyakarta? When is the next train to Paris? When will you finish your homework? When did you meet your best friend? The 40 is where. Where is question word in English that is used to ask about the location of place where event occurs. Explain sentence. Where do you go on vac- When do you go on vacation last year? Where is the bathroom? Where do you work? Where do you find the book? Where do you find this book? Where does your family live? The fifth is why. Why is a question word used to ask why or why to someone. Explain sentence. Why do you come to the party? Why are you late? Why do you choose this university? Why do you want to learn English? Why are you crying? The sixth, how. The last. How is How is a question word in English that is used to ask about the when or process of how an event or ac- action is carried. Explain syntax. How do you bake a cake? How can improve my English speaking skill? Where do you get to the airport? Thank you. See you. Goodbye.